So the first way to make money from YouTube Shorts that you need to know about is the YouTube Shorts Fund. YouTube introduced the Shorts Fund to combat the issue of Shorts not having ads in them when you're scrolling through the short shelf. YouTube announced that it would pay creators between $100,000 and $10,000 per month for the views that they get on their shorts. And more recently, it's announced that it will actually pay YouTubers more than $10,000 per month going forwards. It looks like you're going to need to be hitting around 1 million views per month to be eligible for that lower end of $100, which I feel is pretty hard to hit, and most YouTubers out there aren't going to be able to get 1 million views per month to start earning any money from funds in the first place. And even if you do hit that 100 million views per month, the earnings that you can expect to be paid from the Shorts Fund seem to be quite low. Here's some examples I've seen thrown around the internet from people who are already earning, and it looks like from that you can expect to earn around $100 for every 4 to 5 million views that you get from a short. Compare that to 4 million views from a long form video, you'd be getting $16,000 around from 4 million views there, compared to $100 from that many views from shorts. It really doesn't seem balanced at all, and I would not recommend YouTubers to only rely on the Shorts Fund as their method of making money from shorts if they want to earn enough to go full time. Moving on from the limitations of the Shorts Fund, this next way of making money from YouTube Shorts I found for you is where things get really exciting. You need to start partnering with brands and making sponsored shorts. I've been working with YouTuber Soup Timmy a lot recently. He gets millions of views from his YouTube short videos. His short videos typically show him making artwork from Rubik's Cubes. So the way he'll fold sponsorships into his YouTube shorts is he'll go and speak to brands that have famous characters as part of their intellectual property, and he'll make those characters in his YouTube short videos. And he'll be getting paid to do that from those brands. Fitting a brand deal into a short video is a lot harder to do naturally and in a way that doesn't annoy your viewer compared to if you were doing it in a long form video, but Soup Timmy shows that there is ways to do it if you're creative enough. Conan and Samir are other examples of brand deals showing up in short videos. They mention their brand sponsor Samsung quite a lot in their short videos. And if you want more info on how to naturally fit a brand deal into your short form content, you can sign up to my free newsletter using the link in the description to this video. But it's clear that getting sponsorships into your YouTube shorts is way better than just relying on the money you're gonna get through the Shorts Fund. You could get a $500 payment to make a YouTube short from a company, and the equivalent of making that much money through the YouTube Short Fund would require you to get, 20 million views of your short. So it's much easier once you've started getting those views on your shorts to make more money by just getting sponsorships. Cool, so we've established that you can start making some decent money, way more than you can with the Creator Fund, by putting sponsorships in your shorts. But I got one more method that you can utilize to make real significant money from shorts. Right, let's get on to how I found you can make real significant money from YouTube Shorts. Shorts are giving YouTubers tons more attention than they were usually able to get from their long form videos. So with these new views and new subscribers that we're getting from the broken YouTube Shorts algorithm, we can send those eyeballs over to our long form videos. And long form video is where the real opportunity to make a ton of money from our channel exists. Long form videos can make way more money than shorts because, one, you can put ads on long form videos. You can use the new Super Thanks feature that YouTube's released to get donations directly from your viewers. And there's just tons of more ways that you can earn a living from a long form video. My personal goals is to get over 100K from brand deals from my long form videos this year, and to get over 10 new clients for my consulting business. Long form video is where the serious opportunity to make lots of money on YouTube lies, and we should really see shorts as just a new opportunity to get people to view our long form videos. This video here shows you how you can make over $100,000 from just 500,000 views of a long form video. That many views of a short would probably earn you around $50. So there's a massive difference there. Make sure to watch this video next, and make sure to subscribe to this channel